Entrepreneurial income grows faster when nothing is left to guesswork. Now, a credit readiness snapshot, a business compliance health check, and profit clarity session ensure the foundation is solid, while a pitch-ready profile makeover, funding fit report, and financial confidence reset strengthen how you present, price, and pursue opportunity. Now, add a visibility audit, digital tool setup, and a revenue growth blueprint, and you move from scattered effort to focused execution. And then the capital readiness package ensures that you can act when opportunities appear. Together, these 10 check-ins turn preparation into momentum and momentum into income.